My name's Frank Anderson. I call myself FA Customs. It's a rat rod truck. It's a 47 car frame. The cab's a 28. The grills, these fenders are 32 Chev. The grill's off a 28. Chevy bumper, 1950. If you look inside, it's got 250 horseshoes holding it together. And like I say, the doors
250 horseshoes?
Yeah, look in the back.
Oh my goodness. This is insane.
And then the running boards.
So the entire frame
is a 47 car, yes. And then that yellow thing there, that's a B-17 Bomber's air tank I made into my gas tank. And this is a J.C. Higgins 1950 bicycle. The tire popped, but my granddaughter does ride this, and she usually comes with me.
And you said this is a daily driver. You don't?
I drive it all the time, every day.
This is not just us trailer queen.
No, no.
Wow.
I did 130 on the way here.
130 miles an hour on the way here.
Well, the speedo goes to 90, and I wrapped it back around to 0.
To live a life, so they say, cause I'm not on to tell to the judgment day. Move, hot truck, move, man. Move, hot truck, move, man. Move, hot truck, move me on down the line. Well, I'm all smart, looking to hide. Be hard to tell the night tonight. Move, hot truck, move, man.
That is a sick ride, brother. What is this?
1958 Impala.
1958 Impala. Absolutely beautiful. Where are you from, brother?
Lacey.
Lacey, Washington?
Yes, sir.
Nice. This is a sweet ride.
Thank you.
Amanda, and this is your ride. What is it, a 56 Ford?
Yes, it is.
Nice. You see so many Chevys out here in that era.
Yes, you do.
Nice. Mixing it up a little bit.
Yeah.
And where are you from?
I'm from Eugene, Oregon.
So what brought you up to BilletProof?
Just came up with my boyfriend for the weekend.
Came up with your boyfriend for the weekend?
Look at some cool
Hi, boyfriend. Is this your first time to BilletProof?
Yes. Yep.
Nice. Are you liking it so far?
Yeah, it's fun. Lots of cool stuff here.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. This yourself?
I did.
And well, what would you call it?
We call it the cruising vessel.
The cruising vessel. I like that. That is a good name. And how did you make it?
Well, I took a Toyota pickup and stripped the body off and whittled out the boat.
So it's got a Toyota pickup frame, and it's a 4-cylinder then?
Yeah, it's 4-cylinder, 22R Toyota.
It's a 22R, which, well, it's reliable.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And what was your inspiration for this?
It was a parts boat, and I didn't want to throw it away because it's a cool boat. And my neighbor wrecked his Toyota truck, so I conned him out of it. And that's just how it worked.
American ingenuity, my friend. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sure thing.
You people say I'm a teenage delinquent.
fine sir?
My name is Steve Brickman.
Steve Brickman, and tell us about your ride here.
It's a 1950 Merc, full custom.
I can tell, it's been chopped and lowered.
Chopped, lowered. There's pretty much everything done to it. Shaved, Coke bottle defenders, louvered hood.
Did you do it yourself?
So most of the body work was done in the late 50s. So
wow.
It's real lead sled.
So
it's all lead in there.
So it's, wow.
Yeah.
That's the real deal.
It was pretty hammered when we got it, and me and my buddy just started from the ground up and redid it.
Wow. It is clean as clean can be. So how long has it been in this condition?
Well, that's what we were just arguing about. Probably 6 years.
6 years. All right.
2012.
Well, thank you so much, man.
No problem. Thank you.
Brother, what is it?
This is a 1961 Ford Thunderbird.
Ford Thunderbird? And it sounds like you've got more than one.
Well, I had a 63 and then a small accident, and that led me to get the rest of the family's Thunderbirds. And this guy's been in the family since 61.
So who put the new paint on it?
This was new paint my grandfather did about 10 years ago.
Wow, it's clean. I like it.
And he traded in a 55 Thunderbird for this brand new when my grandmother wanted some space in the back for kids.
Just talking about cars.
Well, I've led a living life, so they say, 'cause I'm not on to tell to the judgment day. Move, I should move, man. Move, I should move, man. Move, I try to move me on down the line. Well, I'm all smart, looking behind. Be hard to tell good night tonight. Move, I should move, man.
South Africa.
Move, I should move, man. Move, I try to move me on down the line.
My name's Steve.
Steve, and it looks like we have a Mercedes here. You want to tell us about it?
67 Mercedes-Benz 200D, aka Hardtail Sally,
Hardtail Sally, I like it.
because there's no suspension. It literally is a hardtail vehicle.
Nice. And so what came up with the idea with all of the license plates for the cover?
I try to do something different with this car every show. Every big
show, so
every
you-
big show, something's changed on it. Whether it's I either sand a fender down.
And you got the beer holder now?
That was for a show. This is for another show. So every year I do something different. Like
Just
one
you
year,
add to it, you're not changing per se.
every year I add something different to the vehicle. Yes.
Nice, nice. All
Or
right.
every big show, I should say.
Even got the bottle opener.
Yep.
Party car.
The man's ready on the go. Thanks so much, my friend.
Hey, thank you. You can.
That may be the cleanest jacked up pickup I've seen in a long time, my brother.
Yeah.
That is nice. So we are here at the Billet Cruise, and it is pretty crazy. These guys have been doing it for 20-some years. They're doing burnouts, everything else. Of course, they got the police down here giving them some grief, as one would expect. One would expect. But we're hoping to catch something pretty awesome tonight.
I see you. Everybody see you. Yeah. Steamer. Hey.
How are you guys doing? That's a sweet ride. Enjoying the weather. It's like 96 degrees today.
Hey, everybody. See the steamer.
How long have you been coming to this event?
Well, I've been down here 20 years.
20 years. It seems pretty awesome.
Oh, it's totally awesome. It's the best thing in Centralia.
What's your favorite part?
Right now.
Right now.
This night.
When it's happening.
miles down the road. I asked them if they had any problems with tonight, and they said no.
No?
Do you have any requests? They said no. And I didn't say anything about the donut shop. But
But you should.
there aren't any donut shops.